Hello, I'm Quentin, and I'd like to tell you about this new box I call the Telemarq CloudSwitch. You may want to take a moment to appreciate its beautiful industrial design here. So what is this? Well, here at Telemarq we've been experimenting quite a lot with Amazon's EC2 compute servers. It's a wonderful system, very flexible. You can fire up virtual machines and shut them down very quickly, very easily, and it's a great way to make a flexible and scalable system. But it has a problem, and that is that you pay for these servers all the time that you're using them, whether or not they're doing anything useful for you. And we have some test and staging servers which we left running one week, week and a half, forgot about them and came back to a $140 bill, and they weren't doing anything useful for us. We really didn't need to have spent that money. So we thought, wouldn't it be great if there was some tangible way in the real world that we could monitor what was going on in the cloud? And that's what this does. The green light here shows you that that server is currently running. But if I press the red button, you'll see we switch into a shutdown mode there. The flashing red means that the server is shutting down. And after a little while, it becomes solid red to tell us that the server's actually off. Now, of course, we're using this to control Amazon servers, but in fact you could control a wide variety of things in the cloud with the same idea. You could use the buttons to decide whether or not your Google Voice number should be forwarded to your mobile, for example, or whether your auto-reply vacation message was set on your email. The important thing is that the buttons do not control the lights. The buttons send messages into the cloud, and the lights reflect the status of what's happening in the cloud. There we go, we have a solid red light. That means the server is off and it's not costing us anything now. When we want to fire it up again, perhaps because we've got a heavy load coming up or we have a need to perform some extra experiments on it, we press the green button, flashes to and fro for a moment until it detects that we're definitely in the starting up state, at which point the green light flashes until the server is actually running. There you are, we have a solid green light, confirmation that the server is now ready to use. Inside here is one of these little Raspberry Pi computers, and so this little device is actually controlling these big powerful computers on the far side of the world just with a couple of little button presses, and to make this cost noticeably less than the amount we spent by accident by leaving the servers running for a week.